What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle. And yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new blessings, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You will be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M. No rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Milwaukee Made King Hussle 2.0. Alright? And Sleeping with the Rain. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright? Got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video and make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there? And we are back at it again with the gems. We are back at it again with the sauce. I am back at it again with the information that's going to turn all y'all into a boss. So you're tired of being the zero. You're ready to be your family hero. Listen up. Take a seat. Get your pen. Get your notepad. Let's get to these notes, all right? Because I'm about to drop some information that can get y'all 30,000, a quick 30,000 or a quick 50,000, $30,000 to $50,000 very fast with your new small startup business, all right? Now, a lot of people be needing this information, these gems, and this sauce to put them in the position to become a boss. A lot of people out there are tired of working these 9-to-5 jobs. A lot of people out there are tired of working for the next person and getting them rich while they only getting paid crumbs. A lot of people are trying to figure out this credit game. A lot of people are trying to figure out how they can leverage credit into cash. A lot of people are trying to figure out how they can get rich off credit. A lot of people are trying to figure out a lot of different things. And that's what I'm here for, to drop these gems, drop this sauce, drop this information that can turn everybody into a boss. All right, so let's get into it. Let's get paid together. All right, so today we're going to talk about Camino Financial. All right, Camino Financial is working with new small startup businesses to get them funded up to $50,000. All right. In order to get approved for this $50,000, you need to follow these instructions because they have certain requirements that you would need to have in order to get approved, all right? It's not it's a bad credit, but certain bad credit, certain requirements, all right? So let's get into the gems. Let's get into the sauce that's going to turn everything and everybody into a boss, all right? So the first thing you need to know and understand is that Camino Financial, it will check your credit score. You need at least a 670 on your credit score. So we're going to get your credit score to at least a 670 with no problem. So what you need to do is understand that if you are somebody out there that's looking to build your credit and looking to build that credit and you want to get your credit in a better standing and you want to start getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, you got to understand these three things right here. That credit is built off these three factors: payment history, how much debt you have, and how long have you had this debt. Those are the three factors of credit scores. So you want to get this loan, credit card, or line of credit, but today we're talking about loan. So if you got any type of debt on your credit report and you had it for X amount of time, leave it on there because that's going to finesse the age on your credit report. So when this lender goes to check your credit report, they do a soft pull, but when they go to check and look at the age, you have the age. Debt, you already got some debt on there, so we need to boost that debt. We need to get more debt. We need good debt on your credit report to show that you can manage a large amount of money, right? So let's say you got $50,000. Keep using $50,000 because a lot of people be having debt. Let's say you got $50,000 in debt already being reported on your credit report. Okay, boom, you're gonna add more debt, but this debt is going to turn that bad debt into good debt because every FICO that you have, you got TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Each debt is reported in some type of account, and it's all calculated into one number. So we're going to add more debt so it can be calculated to that one number to turn into good debt because now you're going to be making payments on this number that you have, and it's going to help you with your payment history. So CreditStrong.com has $11,000 in trade lines that you can get to report to your credit report, and then from CreditStrong.com you can go to MagnumCredit.com, which has up to $30,000 that you can buy to report to your credit report, which is up to $41,000 in trade lines that you can get from Magnum Credit and CreditStrong.com. So now you got $91,000, right? you need at least 5 primary trade lines on your credit report, because they want to see more accounts that are primarily in your name that you have to pay off, because these accounts affect your credit score. Regular trade lines don't impact your credit score. If you don't make a payment, it won't impact. It's a savings account. These are accounts that you're paying off, that they want their money, right? So more primary trade lines is what these banks, lenders, and groups want to see. So the selfs, the AWAs, the kickoffs, and certain credit unions offer credit builder loans and accounts that you can get to help build your credit score and build your payment history and report as a primary trade line. All right. Also, secured loans and secured credit cards are also great for people who are looking to build their credit limit on their credit score. These are loans and credit cards that you are using your own money as collateral towards your credit. So instead of walking into the bank and saying, hey, I want to borrow some money, I need a loan, credit card, line of credit, you're walking into the bank and saying, hey, I'm looking to get a secured loan or credit card, and I have this amount of money that I'm trying to leverage. So you can start your own credit limit using your own money with bad credit. And whatever that you use will be your credit limit. So now that you got those 5 primary trade lines, you need at least 2 credit cards. So you got that secured credit card, and you need to go to Trade Line Supply. Trade Line Supply offers AU accounts that you can buy, which are credit card accounts that you can buy to report to your credit report. They have accounts from $1,000 all the way up to $100,000. So you got $91,000 being reported. You go buy you a $60,000 credit card. You're gonna have $150,000 being reported to your credit report. That's a high limit debt right there. That's high debt right there. But you're also gonna be making payments on these trade lines each month, which is gonna build your payment history on these loans and all these trade lines. And that's what these banks and lenders and these groups want to see, right? So now that you got those trade lines being generated, it should boost your credit score to at least a 670. If you are somebody with bad credit, make a couple payments on these trade lines and get your credit score to a 670. Just keep making payments. It's building your payment history. So once you make these payments, you want to get your LLC and your EIN number. Now, a lot of people have had LLCs for X amount of years now. They got a bright idea back in the PPP days, did nothing with it, and just got an LLC. Well, your LLC is not delinquent. You need to file your annual report. You have to file your annual report every 12 months to keep your LLC in good standards. If you did not file your annual report on your LLC, it is not delinquent, and you can't do anything with it until you file your annual report. So get your LLC, get your EIN number. Once you do that, get your business bank account, checking and savings with a smaller bank or credit union, because these banks work with the people and smaller banks, small startup businesses. The bigger banks deal with corporations, and these banks will help push your loan through and getting approved with underwriting and things like that. All right, so open up them bank accounts, them business bank accounts with the credit unions and the smaller banks. Once you got your bank account with the credit union or the smaller bank, you need to get your Dun & Bradstreet. This will allow you to track your business credit score and allow you to see where you stand in the business side. Also need to get your NAV business credit builder account, because this will help you start building your business credit score. Credit Strong also has business trade lines that you can buy. And then you also need to get your business into the public records. Now, a lot of people miss this step and they miss out on funding. So what you need to do is go to Yelp.com and get your business listed in the public records. Then you need to go to the Better Business Bureau and get your business listed in the public records through them, so you can have the Better Business Bureau stamp in the public records, which will look better. Then you need to go to Nextiva.com and get your business phone number, because once you get this, it'll also report to your business credit report as a trade line. So now you got your business number. Now your business is in the public records. Then you need to take that number and go to list yourself and get your number listed through there too. So now your number is all through the public records. So when they go to search in Google, you're good. Also, make sure you have a structured business, the right way. Do not use your home address. Do not use your cell phone number. Get a virtual address. get a real email, a johnsmith@cleaning.com email, not a Yahoo or a Google. You got your business number. Get these things. So business number, business email, business address. Do never use your personal information. You want to make sure your business is structured the right way, because if it's not structured the right way, you will have a hard time getting approved for these loans. And you want to also make sure you got all your documents that you're going to need, so you don't got to keep going back and forth and emailing information trying to get approved for this and that. And you ain't got to do that. Have all your documentation already, right? So now that you got all those trade lines on the personal side and the business side, now I know that might seem like a lot, but it is not a lot. It's not a lot. Like, it's under $5,000. It's not even $5,000. That's a big number. It's really under like $2,500. Like, all that's under $2,500. Once you got all that, you got your net 30s, you letting your business credit score build. Then you want to go to Camino Financial. Now, with Camino Financial, they got certain requirements, right? So let's first start from the beginning. So about Camino Financial term loans, right? They got term loans, small startup business loans from $10,000 to $50,000, fixed APR rates, bi-weekly payments, all right? So 2 payments a month, 24 months repayment terms. They got 5% origination fees and charges, right? So the basic application requirements is have a SSN, be in business for at least a year, 12 months, minimum credit score is 670. Annual sales above 30,000. So when y'all create y'all business credit, businesses and get y'all LLCs, EIN numbers, and get y'all business bank accounts, checking and savings, you want to add funds to your business bank account. So have your job checks be direct deposited into your business bank account, because the average American makes at least $30,000 a year. So having your job checks being direct deposited into your business bank account, or giving them the documentation that you need to show that your business is making at least $30,000 a month, is what you need to do. So keep that in mind. Current on outstanding credit applications. No filed tax liens, judgments, credit freezes, or bankruptcies in the past 24 months must operate in the submitted industries and states. All right, so also remember that every LLC, every business operates in a certain industry, and every industry qualifies for a certain funding. So every business is not going to qualify for the same amount of funding. So always do your research on how much funding your business qualifies for and what industry it's in. All right, so fast funding, 1 to 3 days, renewal options, eligibility through timely payments, no impact on credit score, soft pulls only. All right, so submit a loan application, complete the application form by providing details about your business. We'll let you know whether you're pre-approved within 72 hours. Submit your documentation. Following pre-approval, please submit all required documentation information. This is a virtual. That's going to help them approve your decision. So it's all documentation that you just turn in. So like I said, some people are able to get their own bank statements and pay stubs and things like that because they're self-employed, 1099 contracted, 1099 employees. So if you got to get your own bank statements or pay stubs, there you go. Finalize loan process and receive funds. After receiving approval, they'll present you with a final loan offer, accept the terms and sign an agreement to have the funds transferred into your business bank account. All right, so make sure y'all following them steps. Make sure y'all really, locked and loaded and ready to go. Make sure y'all add them trade lines, because the trade lines is for a lot of different reasons, to help build your personal credit, get you in a better standing, start helping you save money, and start making money off your personal credit with the business loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, and getting major loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and major funding, right? So it's all a finesse. It's all a, once you learn business, once you learn credit, and you learn these loopholes, you'll understand what's going on. Once you start watching videos and watching American Greed and watching more videos and gaining more information, you will see what's really going on in life, and you will really see, like, this is why this information they don't want us to know, because it's not hard to get rich off credit. It's not hard to walk into the bank and say, hey, let me get $20,000. You just gotta look good on paper. And a lot of people don't understand that that terminology, looking good on paper. Making it look good on paper is having the right documentation that's showing and proving that you can handle and qualify for this money. All right, so it's not hard. It's all documentation. Remember that. It's all documentation. All right, so anybody can get approved, anybody can get the bag, and anybody can get rich. All right, so Camino Financial, go check them out. CaminoFinancial.com, small business loans, 670 minimum credit score, 12 months in business, $30,000 in annual sales, and you should be good to go. All right, so go check them out, go get the bag, and get approved, and go invest and be blessed. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to get their FaceTime one-on-one limit gems or credit lessons, let's work. 600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is in your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we'll go from there. No screenshot, no reply. $600, one-time call. If you need my assistance there or not, each month will be an additional $260. All right, so let's get these lessons and start making this money before prices go back to regular prices January 1st. Don't miss out on this opportunity, my people. Also, get y'all new age credit repair handbook if you can't afford the $600, $260 Cash App Bitcoin payment. Also, get y'all mentorships, $4,500, 3 months. I'm going to help you get your first major loan, credit card, line of credit, help you get your personal credit together, and help you succeed in life and get rich off this credit game, all right? So get y'all mentorships, $4,500. Go subscribe to the Telegram's New Age Credit Repair and the Matrix Code. You need any type of credit information or lessons, go subscribe to the New Age Credit Repair. You need any type of Cash App, Bitcoin loans, methods, cards, linkables, sites, you name it, go subscribe over to the Matrix Code. You need both, subscribe to both. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. All right, so you got a portfolio, you've been working for a while, you're ready to work, you're ready to turn up, you're ready to have fun. DM me, let's work. Let me see what you got. All right, we're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, modeling, traveling, networking, and we're going to make a lot of money. All right, so let's work, let's have fun, let's travel, and let's turn up. Also, make sure you go follow my fraud YouTube channel, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M. Make sure you go follow my main IG, King Hussle X1M. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand, Boot School Department on IG. Make sure you go follow my OG channel that I just got back, Milwaukee made, King Hussle. Make sure you go follow my second blog channel, King Hussle 2.0, that I just got back. Make sure you go follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain, and make sure y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all ready to get to this money, man, because I promise you we finna get rich. Finna help so many people get into the game and start making a bag. All right, so y'all know how I get down with these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.